Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Prime. I'm the founder and CEO of Melanin Coaster Network. Today we at Six Flags Great America. Finna take on the all-new dive coaster, the most inverted, the steepest dive coaster in the world. Lionel, introduce yourself.
Lionel Williams from Atlanta, Georgia, Melanin Coaster Network. We are about to do this. Now I have a little bit of anxiety with like heights. It's not my thing, but I'm taking one for the team today. I think we can do this. Okay.
Let's
okay.
go. This coaster is beautiful.
It's
beautiful. And I also like the layout because the layout it goes around the park, through the park.
And it's like right in the middle of the park. It's
the
so
middle
beautiful.
Of the park where families can, if they're scared to ride, they can still enjoy the roller coaster.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, this is kind of high up. This lift is pretty fast.
Oh man.
Yeah, this lift is pretty fast. Wow.
Wow.
Beautiful views.
This is beautiful. This is beautiful.
Okay. Okay.
I can see Alabama from up here.
Wait.
I can see Alabama from up here.
It just got real.
It just got real.
I'm telling you. This is not good for my anxiety.
We upside down. We upside down.
That was nice. That was wild. Okay, wow, crazy.
Jelly roll. Jelly roll.
Woo! Oh, again?
The rolls are so delicious. The rolls are so delicious. This is so good. This is so good. Woo. Oh man.
Yes.
That was so good. Hey, I wasn't playing.
Yes. Oh my goodness, that was so smooth.
That was so good. Hey, I wasn't playing. I saw my home in Alabama. And we in Chicago.
Oh, those inversions were insane.
That was insane.
I was like, wait,
5
what's happening?
Inversions.
And then that one felt like zero gravity. I was like, were you upside down a little long?
Absolutely.
That was pretty cool.
The world's steepest and most inverted dive coaster in the world, the Wrath of Rakshasa.
Yeah, and that 96-degree drop was everything.
Everything.